get started. So like you can see on screen also, today's session is about paste special. So that means that how you can paste not just whatever you copy but certain parts of what you copy. So before we go on to paste special, the question that rises is that what all things you can copy and paste. The default thing that we know is value. So for example, if I write 1 2 3 4, I can copy this 1 2 3 4, but is there anything else that I can copy beyond 1 2 3 4? There are 5 to 6 different things that you can copy in paste special. So let me just prep this cell a little bit so that you can understand that what all things can be copied. So I'll put a very simple formula, square root of let's say 144 and then multiplied by 1000. Now in reality, the actual detail in this cell is this formula and not this 12,000 that you see on screen right now. So the 12,000 that you see is the external value that is visible to any person who is looking at that Excel. What you see here in the formula bar is the actual value that is present in the cell. So now we have two things that are that we can copy in Excel. One is the formula that is present in a cell, and the other is the actual value that gets calculated after the formula. So these are the two things. What about something else can we copy? Yes, you can also copy the formatting of the cell. So let's say I color this cell as yellow. Now I have added another element to it. I can copy this format also now. So three things we have covered so far: the formula, the output value, the formatting. Let's say I make this bold, the front formatting, the background formatting, I strike through it and I change the font color to red. So that's some formatting that I have done. Now let's say I add comment also to this cell. So using the shortcut shift F2, I can add a comment here. So this is a test cell. Let's say this is my comment. This is my comment and its comment also. What about can I put some borders also here? Let's say if I can put some borders here. So Alt HBA, that is the shortcut for border. So now my cell has border also. And finally, let's put some data validation. I covered the data validation last time, so I hope you guys remember it. So in data validation, let's say I put it list here, simple list. List only contains two values, 12,000 and 13,000. This is just a test validation that I am creating. So we have total of 5-6 things now that we have put in a cell which can be copied and which can be pasted either together or separately also. So let's see this. So before you can paste anything, I think the most basic thing that needs to be done is that you need to copy it first. So let's first copy it, Control C to copy, and let's try to do the most common thing that we normally do in paste special is to paste values. Now there are two shortcuts which you can utilize to launch the paste special dialog box. The first is Control Alt V and the second is Alt ES. Control Alt V is a more latest shortcut. Alt ES is an older version of the shortcut. Depending upon your comfort on the keyboard, you can utilize either one of them. So let's say I press Control Alt V, and you can see here you can copy everything that is present in a cell. So this cell that you see here will become a replica of the cell where I copy. Then you can just copy the formula, you can copy only values, you can copy formats, you can copy data comments, and you can also copy the validation. So these are the different things that you can copy. So let's start with the most basic one, that is the value. The moment I select value and I press enter, you see 12,000 is copied. None of the formatting has come here. Neither the background color has come, nor the font color has come. The font is not strike through and nothing. It's just the value, the output value that was there has come here. Also, if you will see at the top in the formula bar, you can see that there is no formula here. It's just the value, the plain output value. So that means that out of the everything that was present in this cell, the format, the data validation, the value, the formula, the comment, the only thing that got copied here was this this output value, that is 12,000. So let's try again. Let's copy this again. This time I only want to copy the formula. So Control Alt V again. Now if you see in the formula bar, you will see that the formula has been copied. Obviously all formula is going to compute to something, and that's the output value that you see here. So the both are looking same, but there is a difference. In the first case only the value got copied, and in the second case only the formula got copied. Okay, now let's copy this once again, and this time let's try to copy only the comments. Nothing got copied except the comment. The comment has now got copied. The exact same comment that was there is now copied here. Also in this cell you can see that there is a data validation. It can only contain two values, 12,000 and 13,000. So let me paste here again, and this time I'm going to select validation and I'll click OK, and nothing got copied, but that validation got copied. So 12,000 and 13,000. Now this is very useful if you want to copy the validation from one sheet to another sheet without actually copying the values. So this will just copy the validation, and you don't need to take that extra step of deleting the values that you have copied. So Excel basically helps you to copy the different aspects of a cell into the destination cell without actually copying everything. Only what you need gets copied. Similarly, if I want to copy everything besides the border, so there is you can see that there is a border here, right? So if I want to copy everything but the border, these are some other combination options that you can see on the right. So these are the individual options and these are the combination options. So you can select all except borders. So if you'll see that everything got copied, the format, the value, everything got copied, but the border did not get copied. So that's the one aspect of paste special. This is with respect to what all things you can copy. Now the second aspect of paste special is that during the time of pasting, it allows you to do calculations also. That means that it will paste on the location as well as it will do calculation at the same location also. Now this is useful especially if you have data somewhere and you don't have a space to add additional columns to do calculations, etc. But this only works for simple calculations. So I have already prepared an example for that. So you can see that in this data there is a brand name in column A, and then there is a value which should contain overall sales and the actual profit in the third column. But by mistake, the sales value that is present in this column B is the monthly sales and not the overall sales. So overall sales formula is written at the bottom, that you need to multiply the sales per month by the number of months for which the sale happened. Now the data for number of months the sale happened is present here. So in this sheet we have the number of months for which the sale happened. Similarly, company has, these brands have determined that these profits need to be adjusted for some of the negative values here. So, and these are present here. Now there are two ways in which you can rectify this. One way is that I can put a formula in another cell. I can write like this into somewhere like into this, and I close the formula, then I copy and I get my value. This is one acceptable way of doing it. You can get the output value from here. But why do this when paste special can do it in a single step? So let's see how paste special can do this calculation in a single step, and I will copy paste this as values so that we can compare it later on. So this is my desired output that I need to show here. So let's see how it will work. So I will go back to the number of months for sale. I will copy it. Basically I need to multiply these numbers with the numbers that are present here. So I'll launch the paste special again, and this time in the second section, which is the operation section that you see here, I'm going to select multiply and I'm going to click OK. Now the moment I'll do that, what Excel is going to do is that the numbers I copied, it is going to multiply by the numbers that are present at the destination. So you are doing a copy also, and at the same time you're rectifying your data also, or you're doing the operation on your data also. So you have done two steps together, copied as well as multiplication. There are other operations that you can also perform like subtraction, addition and division. These are the simple operations that Excel allows you while doing copy paste. This is just to help you to do some simple mathematical operation on your data. So similarly, let's now adjust the actual profit. What we need to do is from this value, we need to reduce these values. So I'll copy this. I'll go to the next sheet. And this time I'm going to select subtract. So in this section, I'm not changing anything. All I'm doing is that I'm selecting subtract here and I'm going to click OK. And my value got reduced by that much amount. So that's another aspect of paste special, wherein you can copy and at the same time do calculations on your sheet. And the last thing about paste special is something called transposing. So let's say I copy this and I want to transpose it. So what I can do is, let me just scroll down a little bit. I can sorry, my system got hung up for a little bit. So I'll do a quick recap. The first thing that you can do is you can do special copy pasting, wherein you can copy paste specific elements of your cell, formulas, values, formats, comments, validation, or a combination of them. But these are the only options that are available. You cannot actually change the options. You cannot have more options here. The second aspect of paste special is wherein you can do a little bit of mathematical operations on the target data or the destination where you're copying the data. And the last step is that you can transpose. Also, in case if there are blanks, then you can skip blanks also. So I'll give an example of blank also. So 1, 2, and 3. These are 3 blank. If I copy and if I'm pasting here, I can select skip blanks and it will only copy. Okay, that did not work. I'll check that later. Ignore this for now. So that's paste special for you guys, and this is part of the curriculum that I take with a lot of students. I have trained a lot of people in Excel. So if you guys are interested in full-fledged Excel training, please drop me a message and I will reach out to you with the course content. I am running 3 separate courses. One is for Excel Basic, wherein I cover these basic things. Then there is a separate course for Excel Intermediate, where I cover advanced version of the basic things like advanced formulas, advanced chart, advanced pivot, etc. And then there is the most advanced version of the Excel course, wherein I cover VBA, programming, and etc. So if you guys are interested, then do drop me a message and I will reach out to you with the course content. Obviously these trainings are paid trainings, but you not only get to have one-on-one training with me, you will also get to have exercises which will help you practice all the concepts. You will get recordings of all the sessions, and there will be a final assessment exam also in case you take this training with me to assess your learning. So all these things are included as part of the package. The trainings are 5 sessions for basic training. Then there are around 10 sessions for intermediate training and 15 to 20 sessions for advanced training. So all these trainings are available, guys. So if you guys are interested, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I will share with you the entire details of the training. So that's it for paste special. I'll wait a couple of minutes for everyone to ask their questions with regards to paste special. If you want training on any other specific topic, or if you want live session on any other specific topic, then I'm more than open to talk about that also. So I'm not seeing any questions. Okay guys, if there are no questions, then thank you for joining my live session, and it has been a pleasure hosting another live session for you guys, and I will see you next Saturday in the next live session. I'll put up a list of topics. Let's vote again for the topic on which we want to have a live session, and we'll have the live session on that. Thank you guys, take care, and bye bye.